Hey guys, my name is Fair. Let's start with some basic coding. In this video I will show you how to write and run your first program in Notepad. Open Notepad and write this code. To save this code, go to File and click on Save, and then save this file as the same as your class name, which is helloworld.java. Now open the folder in which you saved your Java code. And open it in command prompt. Now write Java along with the name of your file, which is helloworld.java. And click Enter. Congratulations! Your first program is running.